Do you know how to lock your Facebook profile? First, make sure professional mode is turned off. To do that, go to the home screen of Facebook, tap your profile icon at the top right, then tap on your name. Next, tap the three dots beside Edit Profile and choose Turn off Professional Mode and confirm if prompted. Now, once it's off, tap the three dots again. This time you will see the Lock Profile option. Tap it, and if prompted, confirm your choice. That's it. Your Facebook profile is now locked for better privacy. For more simple tech tutorials, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.